Imagine two people selling the same phone. One says, "Buy this phone, it has a good battery." The other says, "This phone is designed for people who work, travel, and live on the move. A battery that lasts 2 full days so your life never stops." The product is identical, yet the second message feels more valuable. Nothing about the phone changed, only the perception of its value changed. That difference is marketing. Marketing is not simply advertising or selling. It is the process of shaping how customers understand the value of a product or service. Humans were practicing marketing long before the term existed. Imagine an old marketplace where two farmers sell apples. One simply places apples on a table. The other arranges them neatly, offers a slice to taste, and tells people they come from a sweet valley near the river. The apples are the same, but the second farmer creates a story and an experience around them. In modern marketing language, this is value communication and product positioning, influencing how people perceive a product rather than changing the product itself. Marketing became a formal academic discipline in the 20th century, largely shaped by Philip Kotler, often called the father of modern marketing. Kotler introduced structured frameworks that businesses still use today, including segmentation, targeting, and positioning, along with the marketing mix: product, price, place, and promotion. His core idea was simple but powerful. Successful businesses begin by understanding customer needs and then design products that create real value for those customers. This concept appears in everyday situations as well. Imagine opening a coffee shop. One approach is to say, "We sell coffee." Another approach is to say, "This is a quiet place where students and freelancers can work peacefully while enjoying specialty coffee." The coffee might be identical, but the second message sells an experience and identity, not just a drink. This is the essence of brand positioning, where businesses create a distinct place in the customer's mind. Many global companies demonstrate this principle clearly. Apple, for example, rarely markets only technical features. Instead, it promotes creativity, design, and simplicity through messages like "Think different." This strategy builds strong brand equity, where the brand itself carries emotional and psychological value beyond the product. People are not just buying a phone, they are buying into an identity. Similarly, Nike built one of the strongest brands in the world through emotional branding. Its famous slogan, "Just do it," is not about shoes, but about determination and ambition. In China, companies like Alibaba and Xiaomi show different marketing approaches. Alibaba built trust in online shopping through buyer protection and rating systems, reducing the perceived risk of online purchases, while Xiaomi created loyal fans by building communities and engaging directly with customers rather than relying only on advertising. All these examples reveal a key truth. Marketing is far more than advertising. It involves understanding customers, designing valuable products, setting the right price, delivering them effectively, and communicating their value clearly. In simple terms, marketing connects businesses with human needs and explains why some products succeed while others fail. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how marketing evolved throughout history and shaped the modern business world.